To actually start using Pipedrive and closing deals, then obviously you've got to get your data in here somehow, right? While you could always just manually add data at any time with the quick entry or keyboard shortcuts, let's talk about ways to migrate larger volumes of data into Pipedrive with a spreadsheet. Let's just head on over to our import data feature. If you're migrating from another CRM, then you do also have the option to import from another CRM automatically using our partner import2 to transfer your data to Pipedrive. But we're focusing on spreadsheets today, so let's select from a spreadsheet. So first, what are you adding? Leads, long-term contact info, hot deals, products for your product catalog, or maybe you just want to map new information onto existing contacts with a spreadsheet. Or maybe all of the above. Before the import, it might be useful to give the columns in your spreadsheet some clear names in the first row so it's easy to match them during the import. After uploading your spreadsheet, you'll need to match those columns in your file to the data fields in Pipedrive. Some are done automatically, and some need you to click on the exclamation mark to help Pipedrive understand a little further how to import your data. But now let's say we have a column in our spreadsheet that doesn't match any of Pipedrive's default fields. No worries, just add a custom field to the item of your choice, and it shows up when you navigate back to your import. For more tips on optimizing your spreadsheet, you can check out the article in the upper right corner here or at the end of the video. So let's hit next to check out the preview. When selecting merge data, Pipedrive works with a special algorithm to avoid duplicates during the import. If it's all looking good, then go ahead and hit Start Import to add your data to Pipedrive. But there's just one last thing you should know. Pipedrive will provide you with a file called a skip file after an import, and skip files summarize any rows in your spreadsheet that may have had a problem during the import, and it will even tell you exactly why there was a problem. So in this case, these rows were skipped because we didn't specify any name for these contacts, and a name is a mandatory field in order to create a contact. So now all we have to do is correct any errors in the same skip file and import that same skip file into Pipedrive, thus completing our import, and this means nothing falls through the cracks. And voila! Either via spreadsheet or import2, here are all my deals in the pipeline, and my contacts, activities, and notes are all perfectly linked to them. Your account is now ready for you to start closing those deals.